Definition of independence. Events A and B are independent if the probability of both occurring is equal to the product of their individual probabilities. Conditional probability. The probability of A given that B has occurred. If A and B are independent, then the probability of A given B equals the probability of A. Independence implies conditional independence. Knowing B occurred gives no additional information about A. Independence and complements. If two events are independent, then so are their complements in any combination. Mutual independence for three events. Events A, B, and C are mutually independent if all pairs are independent and the triple satisfies this product rule. Pairwise versus mutual independence. Events can be pairwise independent without being mutually independent. Indicator random variables. The expected value of the product of indicators equals the probability of their intersection. If A and B are independent, the expected value of I sub A times I sub B equals the expected value of I sub A times the expected value of I sub B. Independence of random variables. Random variables x and y are independent if their joint distribution is the product of their marginals. Product rule for independent events. If all events are mutually independent, the joint probability is the product of their probabilities. Bayes' theorem and independence. Bayes' theorem simplifies when A and B are independent because the probability of B given A is equals the probability of B.